Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Matt and Zoe, and in 2024 we sold absolutely everything to move from New Zealand to Canada to live in a 25-year-old Bigfoot truck camper. We are currently in the middle of our first winter. However, this video is from a few months back when we took a trip from Edmonton to Miquelon Lake, which is usually a 2-hour trip. However, we had 10 days to get there, so why not take the scenic route? It's the first time on Highway 16 for us. It was closed for majority of summer 2024 due to devastating wildfires that tore through Jasper National Park. Come along with us on our 850-kilometer round trip. Hey everyone, how's it going?
Hey.
So we are currently on our way to Edson. We're into, what's today, like the second day of August? October. We actually discovered that one of our rear tyres is flat. We already have a slow leak in one, which we knew about. However, the inner tyre on the passenger side was dead flat.
Dead flat. We were looking at the outside tyre and we were like, this looks flat. And then we checked the PSI, it was at like 85 PSI. I pushed the inside tyre and it was just wobbling, it was completely flat. Otherwise we could have had a big blowout on the side of the road.
But yeah, so we're going to get that fixed in Edson.
I think we're going to look at getting some wheel sensors too. They're going to be expensive, but I think they'll be worthwhile.
I think so. I guess we'll just see. Matt's got his favourite biscuits.
Thanks to my lovely parents, all the way from New Zealand.
These are Griffin's ginger nuts. If you don't have good teeth, you've got to break a tooth on them.
They are the best things invented. They go great with a coffee or a tea. I'm dripping everywhere.
So let's see what adventures we get up to this week. Do you know what we're going to do? I don't know what we're going to do.
Get as far away from people as possible.
Let's go. Turns out it wasn't a puncture, the rim had cracked on the inside because they're so rusted out. Now we're going to try and find somewhere that has the rims that we need. They thought they had some here, so we were going to get 2 new ones, but the ones they had were just slightly too small for a Chevy, not a Dodge Ram. So we're going to try and see if Canadian Tire has the rims that we need. It says on their website that they have them, but I guess we'll just find out. We also had to get the valve stem replaced for the 4th time on one of our other wheels that had a slow leak, which we knew about. It was a slow leak, so it wasn't too big of a deal. So off to Canadian Tire now, see what we can find. If we can't find anything, we're just going to keep going. Stop in Hinton. All in all, $97.76. Onwards we go. No luck at Canadian Tire. They didn't have the wheels we needed in stock, so we're just gonna have to wing it.
Hope like heck our tyres do not blow out.
Yeah. We no longer have a spare now, so yeah, all good fun, all good fun.
So we're going to nurse it all the way to Hinton and then try our luck there tomorrow, eh?
We did want to make it at least to Jasper or like to the National Park today. However, that's probably not going to happen, so it's going to be a goal for tomorrow after we try and sort something out with this wheel. Other than that though, the drive has been absolutely beautiful. There was a moment just before, I don't know if you saw it in the footage, where we came up over a hill and you could see right out to the mountains and there were snow caps on them. The trees are peppered with yellow and orange and greens. It's absolutely beautiful. Tonight we will be holed up in Hinton, waiting for tomorrow. Rarely ever will it go in your favour. So it's all part of the fun, it's all part of the journey. And we're just going to embrace it. So for now, we'll catch up with you later, if not tomorrow. Just resuming our trip back into the Canadian Rockies for the week. We have decided that because our rims, everywhere we've called, the rims for our truck need to be ordered in. They're a special order, so we're probably not going to be able to get that till around Wednesday next week, and today is Saturday. So we decided that we're just going to keep going on. We stayed the night just out of Hinton, and it was so windy. And the road there was a bit, was very, very bumpy. Don't know what we're going to do along the way. If we find anything cool or anything like that, we'll probably stop in and check it out. But until then, enjoy the scenery.
It's a beautiful day for us.
It is a very beautiful day. Future Zoe here. I am just in the middle of editing the video you're currently watching. As you can see from the last couple of scenes, we're starting to get into Jasper National Park. We're starting to see the effects of the wildfire, and it's devastating, and it's hard to rewatch it as well. It was hard to be there, and it's hard to rewatch it. I have been humming and hawing for a very long time on whether I'm actually going to include it, whether I'm even going to do this video, because people have lost everything. It was like an entire suburb burnt. There are homes where the only thing left of them are these stone fireplaces. And it just, seeing the effects firsthand was very confronting. Yeah, I didn't know if I was going to put it in. After thinking about it, though, I am going to put it in. I think it's very important for people to sort of be aware of the effects of a wildfire on small communities like this. It happened, it is what it is, it's unfortunate. The town is still rebuilding to this day. Also, this video is not monetized. We don't make money off our channel. We don't plan to make money off our channel. The only reason we actually do this channel is so we can look back on it in 30 years and sort of be like, oh, remember when we did this? Remember when we did that? So it's just really a way for us to document our travels and show you guys what it's been like for us as well. I'm probably not going to post all of the footage, and I don't really want to post videos of people's personal homes and cars and things, because I don't want to be too insensitive. It'll just be public buildings and things. I just wanted to put that disclaimer in there because people are still rebuilding in Jasper and still trying to get back into their homes and whatnot. So enjoy the rest of the video. We do actually stop in Jasper and get some food and go to the pub and play some pool, which I didn't get any footage of. I won, by the way. But We hope all the best for those who are still managing the effects of fire. Let's get on with the rest of the video, hey? Off the glacier. It's the wind coming down over the ice, and it's cooled rapidly and falls towards where we're standing.
It's cold as hell.
And these winds, according to the sign, are worse in fall, which is now. Lovely. So dramatic. That's the car over there, and you can't even see the glacier yet over this hill.
Well, that's sad, isn't it?
It's a little bit.
Maybe we should all start buying those Teslas.
32 years ago. Yes, we are playing with the ice like absolute children. Why? Because we're from New Zealand. We don't get big winters. We don't get very cold winters. We're from the far north in New Zealand. And we're nicknamed You ass!
Because we're nicknamed what?
campsite called Preacher's Point, which is on the Saskatchewan crossing side of Abraham Lake. We ended up getting in here really late last night, so everything was pitch black. I've been here before, but Matt hasn't.
First time. An awesome spot too.
It's absolutely beautiful to wake up to this morning. Went for a little bit of a walk around the area, and now we're going to head towards Nordic and dump our tanks, refill our fresh water, and maybe get some food as well. Some supplies. Should have done all that wood now. It's all right here.
On top of you too.
Yeah. Thanks. We're actually going to go and forage for some firewood. In Alberta, you can actually forage firewood on Crown land as long as you have a permit or a pass. They're free. You just have to go online and apply for it, which I've done through the Alberta website. We don't have a chainsaw. We just got. Please don't go all the way. Bobby. God. You always freak me out when you do that. Got our saber saw and we're just going to go and cut some wood up. So we can't do anything about our wheels yet. That's going to be in about 3 days when we've had to call up Cal Tire in the Rocky Mountain House to get them to order them in. We can't really go into the national parks because I don't have our park pass. I put it in a friend's vehicle.
Not salty at all.
I put it in a friend's vehicle, and because we were using her car to drive around Banff and Lake Louise for the week last week, and now I don't have it. So I forgot to grab it out of her car when I left her. So here we are. Now Thursday. Our wheels didn't end up coming in till today, so we're actually on our way to Cal Tire to get them done. We just decided that we're going to stop in at a car wash. At the moment, we've got an extraordinary amount of bugs on our camper. It's quite sad.
The whole of Alberta's on our bonnet.
Yeah, we have every single bug between here, Saskatchewan and BC stuck to our camper. We're going to try and wash it off beforehand, before we go and get our tyre done. We did pick this up on our travels. It's a RV black streak and bug remover. So hopefully that works. We'll find out and we'll let you know. But in the meantime, enjoy these clips of our disgusting vehicle. tyres are all fixed. We now have 2 brand new steel rims. How much did that cost? It cost...
Actually not too bad.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. We thought it was going to cost around $700 or something like that. However, it was only $479.81. $217 for the rim, like each rim, and $20 each to have them installed. Now we have one that's still rusted out rim, but it's now our spare, and we've got to search for, well, now we've got to get a spare tyre for it, and then get it installed underneath the tray where it belongs.
Yeah.
That is it for now. We have been absolutely blessed this entire trip with the Northern Lights. They have been incredible, and not only that, but the colours of fall have definitely been amazing.
Oh yeah.
But that is it for our week through the Rockies. I hope you enjoyed the journey with us. We are on our way to Leduc and Kiwis National Park. Oh no, not National Park, I think it's a provincial park, because this weekend is Thanksgiving, and it is our first ever Thanksgiving. We don't celebrate Thanksgiving in New Zealand or Australia, so this is going to be a first for us, and everything's starting to cool down, starting to chill out. We are spending it with a couple of friends that I had the pleasure of meeting a few weeks back when I was staying at Abraham Lake. Really, really incredible people. So that's going to be fun. Matt hasn't met them yet. I'm looking forward to it. We've already had a taster of what one of them is cooking. It's going to be our first Canadian turkey.
I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be so yummy.
Turkey and pumpkin pie and pecan pie, which is all new for us. Like these are things that we don't have back home. For now, Matt's playing around with the door seal because it needs to be replaced. Just add it to the list.
So noisy.
But for now, guys, as always, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Make good choices.
See you on the next one.
The journey this week of what it's going to take to pack up the camper, pack up our lives. It's kind of sad. I don't even know how I'm going to go. We came to the airport to check in, and we couldn't because